Hey, how's it going? Today you're in luck because you and I are going to be using a Ninja Slushi to make the best frozen margaritas from scratch. And to make it even better, we're going to cut the calories and sugar down as much as possible without sacrificing any flavor. But don't worry, you'll never notice it, except in your waistline. So you ready? Let's get into this. Just a quick piece of information, the drink in this video is an alcoholic beverage. That means that if you're under the age of 21, this probably isn't for you. But don't worry, this video will still be up on YouTube whenever you are, provided that YouTube doesn't disappear. Hope I didn't just jinx the platform there. All right, for this recipe, we're gonna need 100% agave tequila, some Cointreau, pure lime juice. You can juice a bunch of limes if you want to, but to get the amount of lime juice we need is gonna take a while. So just get the lime juice and make sure you're getting something that's 100% juice and not concentrated. A little bit of light orange juice. There's a lot of different light orange juices on the market. I'm using the Tropicana stuff because it's sweetened with stevia leaf. You don't normally have orange juice in margaritas anyway, unless you live in Texas or something, but we are putting some in here because number one, it's going to balance the tartness of the lime a little bit. And number two is that we are making this in a slushy machine, so the amount of sugar that is in here is gonna help that machine work and slush this properly. Next, I have some monk fruit sweetener, some fresh lime, margarita salt, and some water. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients are down in the description of the video, along with the calories, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Okay, for this, we gotta be a little bit methodical. The monk fruit sweetener doesn't tend to dissolve very well, so we're just gonna put that in here first, and then we're gonna dump all the liquids in over the top of it and continually stir it to try to loosen that up as much as possible before it goes into the machine. All right, so first, we need our tequila. And I'm gonna measure out our Cointreau, our lime juice, and we're gonna try to get some of this into the machine. You can see there's so much of it that's not dissolved, but it's better than it would be. Next, we'll add in our orange juice and our water, but I'm gonna pour this in to try to get some of that monk fruit off of the side of the container here. And we'll send this in here as well. And if you measure that right, we should be just under that max fill line. Now all we gotta do is close that up, turn on our machine, and we're gonna select spiked slushy. Now all we gotta do is wait. One more thing, I wasn't really super happy about the color, so I added a tiny bit of green food coloring in here. That's totally unnecessary, but I just wanted this to pop just a little bit more. If you think that's a good idea, remember, less is more, because this is only about 1 drop in here, and you can see how much greener the entire contents are. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks, and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bells so you never miss a thing. All right, that's looking awesome, and took just about 30 minutes. What do you say we get our drink ready? Okay, I'm just gonna use a martini glass here. I've already sliced my limes. You don't wanna do this too early because they're gonna dry out on you if you do. And we got our margarita salt right here. All right, so we're just gonna take one of our limes, put that down the middle, and we're gonna use this to get the edge of the rim nice and wet. Then you're gonna carefully go around your glass and just get that salt stuck to it. Just like that. Stick that lime right on the edge there. And we're gonna carefully pour our drink. This glass isn't gonna fit under here, so we gotta take the drip tray out and we can fill her up. And that is looking pretty darn good. Let's see how this tastes. Oh yeah, that's good. That's perfect. Now, excuse me while I drink the rest of this.
You serious?
Those margaritas came out fantastic. Yes, I know the orange juice really isn't supposed to be in margaritas, but it works really well, balances out that lime juice. And as far as a frozen drink goes, it makes it just that little bit better. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Slushi that I used to make this recipe, I do have an Amazon affiliate link for it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay 1 cent. If you like this video, and I hope you do, then I think you're gonna like this playlist right here that has all of the different drinks that I made in slushy machines. If you're not into margaritas, then I'm sure you're gonna find something else in there that you like. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon. And until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.